guys, my name is Juliana, and today I'm going to be comparing the Black+Decker Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with the HOTAWELI Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. So these vacuum cleaners are both amazing in their own ways. Some key differences are that the Black+Decker canister is a lengthwise canister, so it goes a little bit longer than the HOTAWELI canister, which goes downwards. However, they both are pretty spacious and super easy to empty. The Black+Decker vacuum cleaner is charged right here on the side, so super easy. You literally just, it's actually on the handle, so that's where you plug in the Black+Decker. On this one, you plug it into the battery on the back right here. So they both are very easily charged and simply just use a regular outlet, so super easy to charge both of them. They both also have handheld capabilities as well, so they can both be used in upright or handheld position. So to use the handheld position in the Black+Decker, you literally just pull this off, and then that's how you can attach the attachments. So they both come with a bunch of attachments that you can use. However, I'm going to be showing y'all in the upright position in just a moment just how amazing they both are. And then the Black+Decker one definitely has a little bit more bigger wheels. So I have silicone wheels, which are absolutely amazing, glide wonderfully on all surfaces and kind of just help protect your floor. The HOTAWELI wheels are also silicone wheels, so very helpful and protective. However, they are a little bit smaller. And the Black+Decker does have a little bit more of a thicker vacuum base, but they are both still very powerful. So super amazing, either or are very powerful. They both have little lights that turn on whenever you turn them on. So let's go ahead and turn on the Black+Decker. So they both have 2 speeds, which are very powerful. The Black+Decker you turn on with this little trigger right here. So I would say the Black+Decker is just a little bit more, it's a little bit like a smidge louder, but it's a little bit more powerful. It kind of just moves for you. So there is a little bit of extra force with the Black+Decker. So it's just a smidge more powerful than the HOTAWELI, but this is still very powerful. So either or, still super powerful. I'll go ahead and show you guys them in action. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of a side-by-side in action. And I'll also show you the display. So they both show the battery power on the vacuum cleaners, so that way you know what the vacuum cleaner is at whenever you're using it. They both can go for a very long time, which is awesome. So whenever you turn on the Black+Decker vacuum, boom, this is how you turn on the Black+Decker right here, and it shows you the battery right here. And then you can see, so it has those 2 modes, and that's how you change it. And it has a nice comfortable handle. The HOTAWELI, you change it by doing this. So you turn on this trigger right here. Boom, and then you change the fan mode or the speed right here. And then it shows you the battery right there. So they both are very easy to use, and let's go ahead and use this one first. So as you can see, it's got that light on its lowest setting. It literally picked up all of the crumbs on its lowest setting. Now let's try the Black+Decker on its lowest setting as well. So you can see that the Black+Decker definitely is just a little bit faster and a little bit more powerful and has a brighter light, but they still are super powerful either or. This one is just a little bit more lightweight. This one kind of just gives you an extra oomph. So just a little bit more powerful. But yeah, either or, they're both wonderful cordless vacuum cleaners.